Hi, this is 𝗽𝘀𝘀𝘄cie𝗿𝗱. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's do another Lightroom tutorial. Today we will be doing the trending disposable camera effect. Free preset for Lightroom, link in description. All you need is a password, so make sure you watch the video till the end. The preset includes desktop version as well. In the package, you'll get XMP file which can be taken photo edit in Lightroom Classic and on Photoshop RAW filters. If you are using Lightroom on a tablet or a mobile phone, there is a DNG file as well, where you can copy to other photos. Please support us by giving a like and subscribing. We will be providing high-quality stuffs. This is a preview of the Lightroom preset, before and after applying. Let's make your photos look amazing with our preset. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Let's take an adventure's ride on magical world of Lightroom.
Password consists of 4 numbers and the password will appear on top right corner as a card.
Let's go to Lights panel. Contrast to -20. Highlights to -60. Shadows to -30. And now, whites to 44 and blacks to -20. Now go to Tone Curve and follow my steps. Go to Colors panel, and change the tint to 26. Vibrance to 36. Saturation to -23. Now go to Color Mix panel. On red, change the saturation and luminance to 10. On orange, change the saturation to 10 and luminance to 26. On yellow, change the hue to 40 and then adjust saturation to -20 and luminance to 36. Just for fun, let's see 3 amazing facts on camera. The most expensive price ever paid for a photograph was a whopping $4.3 million, about $6.84 million today, paid for Rhine 2, an image by Andreas Gursky, in 1999. It is hard to believe, but the first handheld digital camera was actually invented almost half a century ago. Kodak engineer Steve Sasson invented the device, which weighed 8 pounds (3.6 kilograms), widely believed to be the most expensive consumer lens ever produced. The Leica, of course, Apo Telet R cost $2 million. Now let's get back. Select Effects panel, and change the clarity to 10. Change vignette to -50. Midpoint to 40. Grain to 19 and done. Now copy the settings and paste it to other photos.